Amazon SEO has changed, but there are 3 advanced tricks that are still working right now to break through Amazon ranking barriers without blowing through paid ads budgets. Like we did with Carrick's product, which went from complete obscurity to top of page 1 with no ad spend. The crazy thing is, it happened in just 2 days. And this is really important because 70% of Amazon shoppers never click past the first page of search results. But there's an art to Amazon SEO that only advanced sellers understand. So I created step-by-step SEO moves. The best part? You can just copy and paste these advanced SEO tricks into your own listings and climb your way to page 1 in the next 48 hours. But ignoring these tricks could be the reason you are currently stuck on page 7. So first, there's a 3-part SEO process called text Tetris. And this not only makes your listing attractive to the Amazon algorithm, but it also works even if you've never made a sale before on Amazon. In fact, this is a trick that we use to get Carrick's listing to page 1 in 2 days. Next, you need to understand one of the biggest factors to Amazon SEO success, and it's overlooked by almost every Amazon seller. It's your SEO Synergy. Now, don't worry if you've never heard of this before, most haven't. So I'll show you exactly what it means and how to use it to get gobs of traffic for free. And lastly, something called the SEO Canvas Touchup, which hijacks a hidden SEO hotspot that you can use for sculpting your own Amazon SEO success. This is the SEO trick that we use to get a listing ranked from 30,000, which is really bad, to 832 in just 24 hours. But if you skip this trick, you're just asking for your competitors to walk all over you on their way to page 1. So with that said, let me show you how it's done, starting with the all-important text Tetris. Because this one SEO trick is really powerful, especially if you're launching new products. But when it's ignored, the algorithm tends to avoid your listing like it's a clingy ex at a cocktail party. Hey! And then you just aren't going to rank like you really deserve. So to change this, I want you to think of your Amazon product page less like a listing and more like a magnet. Because there's a hidden wordplay that when you get it aligned just right, it's kind of like forging iron until the atoms all face north, creating a powerful SEO magnet that naturally pulls your listing to the top of Amazon. So the key here is to align your listing with what the algorithm is attracted to, but in a very specific way. You see, the Amazon algorithm will only rank your listing based on proof. Here's what I mean. Just like how Google ranks web pages based on lots of backlinks, low bounce rates, and long dwell times, which are all proof that people like a web page, the Amazon algorithm uses proof such as BSR, aka Best Seller Rank, which is simply a measure of how well a listing is selling. Best sellers are pulled to the top of Amazon search results. But thankfully, BSR is not Amazon's only metric, because when you first launch a product, you have no BSR because you haven't sold anything yet. So you don't yet have that pull that the best sellers have. And that's where text Tetris comes in. You do this by inserting or replacing some of the words in your sales copy with high-value keyword phrases. However, this needs to be done in a very particular way. The goal here is not to copy other Amazon listings, but rather to hack the profiles of top-tier listings. Again, the algorithm is looking for proof, and one of the proofs that it is looking for is a keyword density profile. The keyword density profile is based on listings that already have great sales, i.e. the ones with a high BSR that are currently occupying the top of page 1. Keyword density profile of those top ranked listings is like a keyword scent trail to a bloodhound. The Amazon bloodhound sniffs around for unranked listings that share a keyword density profile with the top ranked listings. When it finds a match, the bloodhound barks and that listing is ushered to the front of the line. So our goal is simply to copy the keyword density profile of top listings. So step 1, swipe up bullets from 3 to 5 of your top ranking competitors. Then search on Google for any keyword density checker. Then paste in the bullets from those top ranking listings and observe the results. Step 2, play text Tetris with your wording to get a keyword density profile that closely matches that of those lead listings. Now, text Tetris is an advanced SEO trick that is still working right now. In fact, it took Carrick from being undiscovered on Amazon to the top of page 1 in only 2 days. However, some super competitive categories are just a bit harder to crack for SEO than others. After helping over 100 brands become some of the biggest sellers on the platform, I've developed a strategy that lets you bypass the SEO basics and get on your way to page 1. And it works really well in those super competitive categories, but it's just a little bit sneaky. It's called SEO Synergy, and it involves an often overlooked section of your Amazon SEO. No, not here. Nope, not there. And not there either. It's below all this stuff. And it's kind of like the Bermuda Triangle of Amazon SEO because nobody dares venture in there. At least until this video leaks out and it turns into one of the hottest tourist destinations since Atlantis. Because this one little area is the perfect repository for awesome keywords that are really stubborn to rank for with beginner SEO methods. And it works so well because the Amazon algorithm scours your whole listing for keywords to use in positioning your product. This includes scouring areas that you normally have no control over, such as your reviews. Yep, Amazon is sniffing through your customer reviews right now, and it's looking for phrases and keywords that actual customers wrote in their reviews. So we can do some clever work down here by creating an SEO synergy between your high-value keyword targets and your reviews. Quite simply, you just ask reviewers to place high-value keywords in their reviews. Because when reviews contain killer keywords, it's kind of like getting the SEO thumbs up from Jeff Bezos himself. You get to bypass all the keyword clutter and enjoy instant recognition in Amazon categories that are historically tough to crack. Option 1, tap your friends and family network to help sculpt your Amazon SEO by seeding their reviews with 1 or 2 high-value keywords, especially in the review title. Option 2, if you've already blown through your list of friends and family when getting your initial product launch, consider some review renovation by asking your friends and family to simply update their reviews. Just have them toss in a handful of high-value keywords. But there's a genius trick that Amazon sellers are using right now to guarantee their listings not only rank for high-value keywords, but also sell for those keywords as well. And you can use the same strategy on your listing today. But I see Amazon gurus gatekeeping these kinds of strategies behind $9,000 paywalls or sharing them in private mastermind groups. So I'm on a mission to grow 1,000 people to over $100,000 in sales on Amazon by giving away every resource you need for free. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button for even more SEO tips and Amazon tricks that you won't find anywhere else, including this next trick, because most people only focus their SEO efforts on modifying or changing words. But there's a whole other area of your Amazon listing that can help you rank fast, and it's your images. Yeah, I know it sounds strange, but by doing the SEO touch-up that I'm about to share with you, you'll actually move your SEO in 2 ways. First, by increasing sales, which will boost your BSR, and that honestly will help you rank for just about any keyword. The second is by guiding shoppers to keyword-specific conversions, which helps you to rank for whatever keyword you wish. The key here is to use confirmation bias, but in a very specific way. And I'm going to show you how, because most sellers set up their images in the exact same way that everyone else does by dropping in a few keyword tags. It's kind of like taking vitamins. Just add keywords to the file names of your images before you upload them. But that's not the touch-up I'm talking about. There's one more trick that I don't see anyone talking about. And this is sad because ignoring this trick is like buying a turbocharger for your Porsche, but then letting it sit on the garage floor, still in the box. So let's bolt that thing on and enjoy a little extra horsepower, because when a shopper lands on your listing, there's about a 5-second window when they will decide whether to stay or back out. And it's at this point that your images can make all the difference. Because when a browser bails on your listing, you can cue the sad trombone. Because the algorithm just got the message loud and clear. Your listing isn't worthy of that keyword. You can kiss your SEO shots goodbye. So what we need to do is a pixel power play. Step 1, grab the keyword that you want to target and place it in your title images. As we saw in my heat map videos, shoppers' eyes are drawn to text in the images. So confirm that this is a listing that they want by placing your target keyword right in the headline of this image. This comforts the shopper that they're in the right place. But then you need to do one more thing. Make sure the images are absolutely dripping with emotions. That way, your Amazon listing will convert for that keyword like crazy. When you get both working together, Amazon will place your listing at the front of the line because you actually convert browsers into buyers for that keyword. If you'd like to deep dive into how to enjoy a listing that converts browsers into buyers like clockwork, check out this video right here. It will give you step-by-step moves that you can steal right now to enjoy a high-performance Amazon listing today. So make sure to tap or click, and I'll see you there in just a second.